The health benefits of cardamom pods. 1. Cardamom is a small green pod which is used to flavour delicious meals. This has been used since ancient times in India, China and Scandinavia. 2. The pods contain small black seeds which have a strong aromatic flavour. These have a high level of antioxidants which lowers high blood pressure naturally. 3. 2 to 3 cardamom pods are often added to boiled water to make a herbal tea. This is used to reduce bloating and intestinal gas after a meal in Ayurveda. They are also often ground and mixed into curries to add flavour. They work well when paired with chicken or mutton dishes. 4. The pods are also dried and ground into a fine powder. This is stored in an airtight container for up to a year or more and is more versatile to use. 5. They contain a high amount of manganese, a very important trace mineral which helps the body to form bones, connective tissue and sex hormones. 6. The manganese in cardamom also helps the body to break down carbohydrates and fat, making this excellent to eat when trying to lose weight. 7. Those with diabetes or are pre-diabetic should consume this spice regularly, as the manganese helps the body to process blood sugars. 8. Since ancient times, the Chinese and Indians have used cardamom to ease the digestive system. Studies show that the methanolic extract in this spice reduces stomach cramps and reduces the risk of gastric ulcers. 9. They are an excellent source of other minerals such as iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium and phosphorus. These are all essential for excellent health in the human body. 10. Early scientific studies show that cardamom seeds contain compounds which may lower the risk of cancer. They may inhibit the spreading of cancerous cells, however more research is required. 11. The rich antioxidants within cardamom reduce inflammation throughout the body, especially in the liver. This is useful for undergoing a cleanse or a detox regime. 12. The high level of potassium and iron helps the body to produce red blood cells and regulate the heart rate. This improves blood flow, which will give you higher energy levels. 13. In Ayurveda, the cardamom spice is used for opening the airways. It improves blood circulation to the lungs for those suffering with asthma or bronchitis. 14. Men and women also chew this as a way of freshening the breath. Its natural aromatic compounds destroy odour-causing bacteria in the mouth. 15. Chewing the pods also is a fast way of treating mouth ulcers and throat infections. This is wonderful when you have a cold or flu infection. 16. They have anti-spasmodic properties which helps you to get rid of hiccups. Simply drink a cup of cardamom tea to relieve this annoying problem. 17. The small black seeds in the pods can be removed and blended into healthy smoothies. We recommend combining with ginger and watermelon juice to boost blood flow around the body. 18. Drinking herbal drinks with cardamom seeds or eating them in curries can reduce swelling in the legs and improve erectile dysfunction. 19. If you prefer, you can purchase cardamom extract, which comes in small capsules. This is an easy way to take this on a daily basis to get the benefits. 20. To learn more about healthy herbs, spices and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.